Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am opening and reviewing this Orfeld Masticating Juicer. It's a slow juicer. Got it on sale from Amazon for $15. I don't think you can get it anymore for 15, but it's still I guess a pretty cheap or good value juicer. So I'm gonna start opening it and take a look. Alright, so let's go through everything that comes in the box first. There's some kind of, I guess this is the pusher. We have a packet of manual, toothbrush, I'm just kidding. It looks like a giant toothbrush. Power cord. And here's the juicer. So we have I think this is a stand. This is the cup that holds the juice after it has been slowly juiced, and this is the juicer itself. So I'm gonna take them out, put them on a table or a counter, and we're gonna test it out. These are all the parts that came with the juicer. These are all taken apart, and I'm going to show you how to actually take it apart in a few seconds. So this is the housing. This is the main corkscrew, I guess, driver or juicer. This is pretty heavy. Actually, this is like solid plastic. This is a housing that goes in front of the juicer, like that. And this is the pusher. You've seen this before. And this is the one that goes outside, connects to this end cap right here. So in total, it's pretty easy to clean. You got one housing, 2, 3, 4, basically 4 components. I won't really count this as a component because that's just a pusher. So you have 4 things that you can easily disassemble and clean. The juicer itself is just basically a motor that goes back and forth, and that's it. So let me show you how to disassemble and reassemble it. Okay, we're gonna disassemble it. First, make sure it's off, and once it's off, then go ahead and push that button there and twist it. Okay, to disassemble it, make sure it's turned off, and you push this button here to unlock the front component, and then twist it towards the back, and then you can just pull it right out. And then the next thing you're gonna do is disassemble that front part by twisting it down, right? I think. And then you pull it out, and you can now disassemble the inner rod, this plastic component here, and then that particular housing. Everything is should be able to be dishwasher cleaned. Yes, it is. And then we're gonna reassemble it right now. So you just put that thing in, put it back in the housing, and put the front cover on. Twist it so that it's locked, and put it back to the motor and snap. That's it. All right, so that's it. That concludes my review for the Orfeld slow juicer or masticating juicer, whatever you want to call it. So it's pretty easy. and pretty cheap to buy and use this juicer. It doesn't have a lot of components, so that makes it less lazy for you to juice and having to clean up, not like a million parts. This one came with just 4 parts, and it's really easy. It takes about 20 seconds to disassemble, another 20 seconds to reassemble. So very nice. I fully recommend it. Hopefully this has been useful, and if you like this, I'm gonna put a link in the description for you to buy it from Amazon. And if you like this content, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, so you're supposed to put the juicer, the juice comes out here. Like you can close it, and the juice will accumulate there at the bottom, and eventually, as you push your vegetable or whatever, fruits, etc., into this compartment here, and it starts getting I guess juiced, and the juice will accumulate here at the bottom, and then when you open this, watch this, the juice will come out, and then the extra pulp stuff will come out over here on this side. And I think you can turn it off, and then you can clean up the pulp if you want here by turning it here, and then you can see that you can clean it up if it gets jammed. But this is basically how it works. So you just kind of put it back, lock it again, and go again. Okay, we finish juicing 2 stalk of celery, and it resulted almost a full cup here. Well, this is actually basically a full cup. You probably wouldn't want to be any fuller than this. It's gonna spill all over the place. And all the pulp is here. Oh yeah, there's a measurement here. So that's basically 24 ounces. And so all the pulps are here and nicely done and dried. as I showed before, it's pretty easy to clean. All you do is just remove it, and all the pulps are here. And I'm going to show you how to clean it according to the instruction. You can actually pour water through it and it will clean itself. Let me show you some of the functionality of cleaning it. Okay, so we are going to do a cleaning process. So I have a cup of water and we're just going to pour it in there. And let me turn it on first, and then we're going to pour it. So as you can see, it's going into the compartment, and I'm going to, once it's all mixed up, I am going to release the water here. And we can keep repeating this until it's clean. Get more water.
Do the reverse thing.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Nothing. Just cleaning around the area.
Okay. Ready?
Put it down. And I just want to show you also that we can do a reverse here. So if you turn it off, you can press reverse. And it's actually going to go the other way. So you can turn it off again and go forward. So this is a good way of getting, if you happen to get stuck with a certain vegetable, you can go reverse and go forward again to get unstuck. Or this is good for cleaning also. Okay, and once we're ready, we're just gonna release the valve here and the water comes out. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.